Hi, this is 108 Cam here, and I'm at the Cherry Swamp Road level crossing in Little River. Now, this crossing has something very special. It is the last V-line crossing to have Wishbone Gates. We're going to have a look at those now. It's the last V-line crossing with Wishbone Gates, but it's certainly not the last one with some bleach crossbucks. And that Wishbone Gate. Still the old wooden one. Just having a look, trying to see if that one was ever painted black and white at one stage. But it doesn't look like it was. Across the line. There's the Melbourne to Adelaide standard gauge line. Here's the two broad gauge lines that do V-line services. Although there are some, I think there is, the Warrnambool freight train would also use these tracks. Because the standard gauge one doesn't go all the way to Warrnambool. It branches off, goes out through Ballarat and then here, another Wishbone Gate. Yeah. Pretty cool. Wishbone Gate. Still has the old gate lights too, the Artcraft ones. You listen carefully, you can hear the relay box humming. don't know if you heard that, but as the boom gates were going up, the relay case started buzzing all loudly because of the increased electrical load that it was having. Yeah, so that humming sound that you heard when the gates are going up, so after the bell turned off, that was the relay case. It was buzzing because of the increased electrical load created by the boom gate rising. And now we'll do a tour of the equipment at this crossing. Western Cullen has gate mechanism. This one's older. Haven't seen one with that particular logo before. We've got Westinghouse lights, or old style Westinghouse LED lights on a Westinghouse Crossarm, and the Safetran Type 3 electronic bell. And right in front of the bell, there's a Wishbone Gate. It's one of only two that remain on V-line. Not sure what that logo is. Gate mechanism, Western Cullen Hayes. It's an older one. There's the lights and crossarm and the bell. And yeah, still got the old stock red signal signs. This crossing had mechanical bells. It doesn't. Now over here on this side, got pretty much the same setup. Older Western Cullen Hayes mechanism, old style Westinghouse LED lights on Westinghouse Crossarm, and Safetran Type 3 electronic bell, and the Wishbone Gate with the Artcraft lights on it. Stop and red signal sign there, and right away across the sign. This thing we can actually sort of make out the lettering. This is a nice little crossing. As you can see, it's got these wishbone gates. These ones though, these ones look like they've always been red and white. And with the old black and white ones, often when they were removed, they didn't actually throw them away. They were actually removed and repainted red and white and then reinstalled. That's why sometimes you can actually see which gates used to be black and white, because you can look at them and you'll see the paint where it's coming off and the black and white showing through.